The Harvey Wallbanger is a refreshing cocktail combining the smoothness of vodka with the sharpness of orange juice, topped with the sweet herbal hint of Galliano. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces vodka, 3 ounces orange juice. Freshly squeezed is best, ½ ounce Galliano. Italian herbal liqueur. For equipment you will need highball glass, bar spoon, jigger, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Pour the vodka and orange juice into the glass. Stir well with a bar spoon to combine. Slowly float the Galliano on top by pouring it over the back of the bar spoon. Garnish with an orange slice and a maraschino cherry if desired. The Harvey Wallbanger was reportedly created in the 1950s by a bartender named Donato Duke Antone in Los Angeles. It's said to be named after a surfer who enjoyed the drink and frequently banged into walls after having one too many.